Unit 4. Grinding machine for cutting tools and drilling machine. Types of grinding machine for cutting tools. Grinding machine for cutting tools is one of primary equipment in industrial work. Benefits of grinding machine for cutting tools are for shapes and reshape the edge of tools. Such cutting tools are drill, lathe tool, shaper tool. Grinding machine for cutting tools, which commonly used in the factory, can be classified as following. 1. Bench grinding machine, a small grinding machine which easy to be relocated and installed on the working table. 2. Pedestal grinding machine is a large bench grinder which is bolted to the floor. Its weight is very heavy and difficult to move. It has rigid frame structure. Important parts of grinding machine for cutting tools. Grinding machine for cutting tools consists of important parts as following. 1. Motor is the important part which generated power for the machine. Both sides of shaft attached with grinding wheels. Each side is different from each other. The left side is the left-hand thread on shaft. The right side is the right-hand thread on shaft. 2. Grinding wheel is shaped like a circular wheel. Its thickness is dependent on the size of diameter of abrasive wheel. There is a hole at center for assembly with shaft of the motor. There are two types of abrasive wheel, which are coarse abrasive and fine abrasive. The abrasive wheel is composed of abrasive, binder and air pocket. 3. Flange is a circular steel plate with a hole in center for attached at end of motor, shaft and fixed the abrasive wheel by thread. There are two pieces of flange attached, each side of the wheel. They fix the wheel by turned and tightened at the end of shaft. 4. Wheel guard is cover part of grinding wheel. They are attached on both sides of motor. 5. Tool rest is support for workpiece during grinding. They are fixed with casing and can be adjusted to get suitable distance between tool fest and wheel. Tool fest is fixed in same center line with the wheel. The suitable distance is about 2 to 3 millimeters. 6. Safety glass is used for protect operator's eyes from the shooting fragments or removed particles from grinding. Safety glass is fixed on top of wheel guard and can be adjusted up and down. It must be transparent safety glass to let the operator has the workpiece at sight. 7. Switch is part for power on-off controlling. There are commonly two types of switch. Those are pull handle and push button on-off. They may be installed on the machine or separated from the machine. 8. Table is used for place grinded workpieces. It is mostly used with pedestal grinding machine for cutting tools. 9. Water pot is used for cool down the workpieces during grinding. 10. Pedestal is bolted to floor and fixed the grinding machine to stand still during operating. Maintenance of grinding machine for cutting tools. Operating the grinding machine for cutting tools needs maintenance in order to have safety operation and more long-term of machine using. Maintenance procedures for grinding machine are as following. 1. After a period of use, the grinding wheel must be inspected for smoothness of surface of the wheel. If some defect flood founded, the surface must be improved by tool for reshaped surface. The surface shall be smooth before use it again. 2. During grinding, do not press the workpiece too hard on the moving wheel. This will cause the wheel to shatter. 3. Before every starting of the machine, it should be check mounting of wheel and motor shaft. 4. Using hammer on shaft is forbidden. Hitting will cause the rotation of the wheel out of center. 5. Check the on-off switch or if there is short circuit or damage of electric system. It must be repaired immediately. 6. After long operation used, it must be checked on motor. If there is malfunction, it must be repaired immediately. 7. Adjust the distance between tool rest and grinding wheel to be correctly. Too much distance may cause the tool stuck with the wheel and make the wheel broken into fragment. 8. It must be separated grinding machine for cutting tool by purpose of using, such as for cutting tools, for cutting welding or other grinding. Meaning of drilling. Drilling is to make accurate hole on workpiece or materials. By use drill that transfer rotate force from drilling machine. The rotate force press on material and cut it as we want. Type of drilling machine. Drilling machine is a basic machine in industrial work. There are many types as following. 1. Portable drilling machines. This type of drilling machines is for outdoor working, or for working which other machine cannot do. It has small dimension and lightweight. It powered by manual or electric motor. 2. Drill press type is drilling machine which is not much height, of column and small size. Workpiece will placed on the table. Maximum size of drill which holds by drill chuck cannot exceed 16 millimeters. 3. Radial arm drill press type is drilling machine, which has higher and bigger column. It can drill from small size to large size of hole. It powered by belt or gear transmission. The structure and parts of drilling machine. Important parts of the drilling machine. 1. Base of drilling machine support the entire machine and bolted to the floor. It is rectangle shape which has thickness. It makes balance of weight when pressed during drilling. 2. Column of drilling machine is made from pipe or solid circular shaft. It has smooth surface and fixed base. Top of column is head of machine. Table is supported on an arm mounted to column. It can rotate in radial of column and adjusted vertically. 3. Table is square or circular shaped. It used for hold the workpiece or supports clamp of workpiece. It can rotate in radial and adjusted vertically. 4. Drill's chuck has 3 jaws. Inside chuck there is pinion, for drive the jaws to hold the drill. By turning a device from outside, the internal pinion will move. This device is called key chuck. 5. Electric motor is power source of machine. In transmission, pulley which attached to shaft of motor called driver pulley will transfer force to drill shaft through other pulley called driven pulley. Force transfer by belt. Some drilling machine can be by gear system. Generally motor use electrical Input 220 volt or 380 volt. This is depending on the type of device and manufacturer. 6. Head is the top part which has cover case. It consists of driver pulley, driven pulley which use belt or gear, for transmission to drill shaft and drill sleeve. This mechanical function make rotation cutting, and feed by drill shaft. Drilling machine uses electric motor to generated power. Drilling force transfer the pulley which attached to motor shaft called driver pulley. It drive belt to pull other pulley called driven pulley, which mounted to drill shaft, drill sleeve, feeding gear, drill chuck. In drill shaft, there is key or spline for control vertical movement of drill chuck during drilling.